We bought a Pluto hot tub, Aqua Hot Tubs in Maidenhead, near Windsor. It is a Pluto. It is a fantastic unit. We have had it now for over a month, and we're really happy with it. The installation process was very easy. We had a 30-foot crane, and they lifted it over this wall, and it was a simple installation. It was very quick. They filled a big tub of water, and the transition of the water into the pool was very simple. My wife and my daughter are the main users of the hot tub. My wife uses it every day for her therapy, and I use it after I do any exercise. It eases with the aches and pains, and I would recommend it for anybody that is trying to lose a bit of weight. So it's really, really good for that.
I am the one that's used it the most, along with my daughter. I've wanted one for a long time, and it does what I thought it would do. I like going in. I've done mornings when I come home from work, and evenings. Evenings is particularly nice because you've got the lights and it makes the water look good. So I'm very happy with the hot tub. Like I said, it's something I've wanted for a long time, and I've really thought about how I want to use it. Not just for having fun, but also just to really help the muscles, particularly in my neck and my legs. And to be honest, you can direct it. If I'm on my own, I have it all directed on wherever I'm sitting.
Maintenance is quite simple. Every Sunday, today's maintenance day. Basically, you check your pool, make sure the water levels are correct, you clean your filters, you give it a wipe down. It's very simple, easy to do, and anybody could do it. The Pluto hot tub comes with one pump, and it has two settings. Basically, a low and a high setting. The jets can be altered. It's quite versatile, where you can move all the jets to one side of the pool or the other. It is very good, so you can concentrate all the jets into one area of your body where it's hurting potentially, and it helps. I
would definitely recommend the hot tub. I think this is a good size for an average family, and as a starter, I've never had one before, but I'm really happy with it.